Welcome to 6325 Buenos Aires Place Northwest, a charming single-level ranch-style home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a whopping 2,347 square feet of living space. Built in 1972, but don't let the birth year fool you. This place has aged like a fine New Mexican wine. Inside, you've got an open-concept living area perfect for hosting game nights or binge-watching real estate videos like this one. There's a cozy den with a wood-burning fireplace, a flex space for your home office, or your home gym if you're feeling ambitious, and a brand new refrigerated air unit to keep you cool when the desert heat tries to roast you alive. Outside, oh, it's a whole vibe. Over a third of an acre, backyard access for your RV, boat, or spaceship, and a 20 by 40 workshop that screams DIY dreams come true. If you're ready to upgrade your lifestyle and park like a boss in that circular driveway, hit that like button, subscribe for more Albuquerque real estate gems, and drop a comment if you want a private tour. I'll bring the keys, you bring the dreams.